Alright, we are here at the Sunbird West Tower. It looks like they've got these elevators wrapped up for construction and in absolutely awful, annoying condition. Same mod as the building next door, weirdly enough. There's one nice fan in here too. This is probably the coolest, and not the nicest, but the coldest elevator I've been in. That's not like fully indoors. I wonder if this is a new mod. I doubt it, but it could be. Here we are on the top floor. That's where the elevator equipment is. A few various views. This is a very interesting building design. Once again, I think Cavender Elevator is the ones that do this building. This is a very interesting building design for sure. Never seen anything quite like it. I'm going to take a pause here and then we'll right back down.